Winter is the coldest season of the world, and cold wave is one of the common characteristics of this season. Cold flow, cold wind, cold air, etc. are some other names of cold wave. Cold wave is a term used by meteorologically to point out the decreasing level of air temperature in any place. This indicates such a condition of weather which can be differentiated by a cooling of the air. A cold wave can be felt when the air temperature of any place falls down rapidly within a duration of 24 hours. The main formula of detecting a cold wave is the rate of falling temperature, especially the lowest rate of falling temperature. This lowest rate of temperature is varied in different geographical region and time of the year. At any geological location, a cold wave can happen, which usually measures by the difference from the general temperature. It is built by massive cool air that flows over any particular area. At this time, the sun keeps less visible and the sky remains cloudy in many places. There are three types of cold waves are available in Bangladesh, and they are mild cold wave, moderate cold wave, and severe cold wave. According to the general temperature calculation of Bangladesh, if the minimum temperature is between 8 to 10 degrees in a large area, it is called mild cold wave. If the temperature is between 6 to 8 degrees, then it is called moderate cold flow. But if the temperature drops below 6 degrees Celsius, it is considered as a severe cold wave. Usually, cold waves last from 3 to 7 days in Bangladesh. Some major reasons of occurring a cold wave are increasing of global warming at alarming rate, continuous flow of open air without any interruption, and climate change, etc. Apart from these major reasons, change in wind direction and speed, the less difference between the maximum and minimum temperature, water vapor depletion and dry weather, etc. are some other reasons of cold waves. Further, cold waves have some bad effects in nature as well as in human life. Because of cold waves, the outbreak of fog increases, which makes the environment misty and foggy, where dense fogs cover up everything. Fogs fall for 24 hours in this time, and everything looks gloomy, grey, hazy, and dull because of the dense fog. During a cold wave, it is a fact of good fortune to watch the ray of the sun, as sun does not rise in this time. Without sun ray, environment becomes dark and communication is disrupted badly. The headlights of the vehicles have to be kept on even in the day. Many road accidents occur and many flights cancel their schedule due to the cold waves. Cold waves are responsible for the death of new seedlings of the crop and ultimately the disruption of whole crop production. The first seed beds of boro paddy and other crops are prepared for cultivation in winter season, and they are spoiled by excessive cold. The economic condition of the country also affected severely, as both transport, communication, and crop production are hampered by the cold waves. Price of seasonal fruits and vegetables increase suddenly because of less transportation and production. Moreover, the outbreak of seasonal diseases are increased and many people, notably children and old people, are died in the time of cold waves. During the cold waves, a cold wind blows everywhere and people shiver in cold because cold is felt more across the country in this time. The influence of cold waves can be seen in animals also, as birds chirping is not heard and other animals cannot come out as well. Though winter is a charming season, the charm cannot be enjoyed always because of cold waves. Nature, along with people, have to suffer tremendously in the period of cold waves. Actually, cold wave can be considered as a drawback of winter season who decrease the charm of winter season sometimes.